Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the brand new 2025 Skoda Joyster, a compact yet stylish hatchback that's making waves with its modern design, premium features, and impressive performance. Stick around as we dive into everything you need to know about this car, from its sleek exterior to its high-tech interior and powerful engine options. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Joyster boasts a bold and futuristic design that truly stands out. The front fascia features Skoda's signature grille, now wider and more aggressive, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that offer excellent visibility. The sculpted hood and sharp character lines give it a sporty, dynamic presence. Moving to the side, you'll notice the aerodynamic silhouette and stylish 18-inch alloy wheels that add to its modern appeal. At the back, the wraparound LED taillights and a redesigned bumper with an integrated diffuser enhance its sporty look. The Joyster is available in a variety of striking colors, including a brand new metallic blue that looks stunning under sunlight. Now let's step inside. The interior is where Skoda has really stepped up its game. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted with a high-tech, driver-centric cabin. The dashboard features a minimalist yet premium design, dominated by a large 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides crisp and clear driving information, while the ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury. The seats are ergonomically designed and upholstered in a mix of premium fabric and leather, offering excellent comfort for long drives. Rear passengers also get ample legroom, making this a practical choice for families. The boot space is generous for its class, ensuring you can fit all your essentials with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Joyster comes with multiple engine options. You can choose between a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 150 horsepower or a more efficient hybrid variant that combines an electric motor with a 1.0-liter petrol engine, delivering an excellent balance of power and fuel economy. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a smooth-shifting 7-speed DSG automatic. The Joyster handles beautifully on the road, offering a refined and stable ride with precise steering and excellent suspension tuning. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, this car provides a confident and enjoyable driving experience. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 Skoda Joyster starts at around $23,000, while the higher trims with advanced features and hybrid technology can go up to $30,000. Given the quality, performance, and features it offers, the Joyster is a great value proposition in its segment. So, what do you think of the 2025 Skoda Joyster? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.